Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi TT bonnet. First, you'll need to locate the primary release lever inside the car. This lever is typically situated on the driver's side, often found in the footwell area, close to the door sill. Give it a firm but gentle pull to disengage the first latch. You should hear a distinct click as the bonnet slightly pops open, indicating the initial release. The interior release lever is often a black or red handle, positioned low down on the driver's side, usually by the door sill or kick panel. Once you've found it, pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a thunk sound from the front of the car, signifying that the bonnet has partially unlatched. This action releases the primary catch, allowing the bonnet to lift slightly. After pulling the interior lever, walk to the front of your Audi TT. The bonnet will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, directly above the grille area. You will feel for a small secondary safety latch or lever. This is usually located near the center or slightly to one side. Push or lift this small lever to fully release the bonnet. With the secondary latch released, you can now lift the bonnet fully upwards. Once it's open, locate the support rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself. Carefully unclip this rod and insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. This will securely prop the bonnet open, allowing you safe access to the engine compartment for any necessary checks or maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.